peso.
Ang sarap ng buhay. Pag mayaman ka, 20s ka pa lang, mayaman ka na. Sabi ng iba, yayaman ako pag 50 na ako. Yayaman ako pag 60 na ako. Toinks! Yayaman ako pag may retirement pay na. Well, it could be possible for those people who believe in it. And what you believe will manifest. Anong laman ng utak mo? Kailan ka yayaman? Kailan ka magta-travel? Kailan ka magtutupis sa Bora? Kailan ka magtutupis sa Maldives? Kailan kang mag-rides? Kailan ka manonood ng fireworks sa Disneyland? Whatever you have in your mind will become a reality. Always remember that. What you have here will manifest. What you have here will manifest. What you believe will manifest. So sabi ko, if you have the power sa mind mo, you have the power in your mind and you truly believe in that, edi, mag-iisip ka na lang, gandahan mo na.